Now we come to the first consideration of detoxification and cleansing. Why we need this? First and foremost, we need to understand that we have been destroying our very own cells and organs and all parts of the human body, and we are destroying also, in particular, our very own immune system, where the defenses are first attacked. But the first line of attack begins with the frontal lobe. It is very, very critical path. Why? And in when we understand the benefit of activated charcoal as designed by our wonderful creator and our compassionate redeemer in the healing process, we need to reinforce our immune system, because the immune system has the ability to fight all kinds of physical diseases. Diseases in terms of what? Fungal, bacterial, chemical, protozoal, viral attacks that suppresses our immune system. And we call this whole scale destruction by destroying our very own immune system. And once the immune system is overloaded, overworked, what will happen next? Immunity is lowered and life becomes what? Compromised. Why? Without blood, there is no life. In other words, the quality of the blood that flows in all the parts of the human body, from the smallest cell and to all the largest organ, blood is vital in the issue of life and health. In other words, we have to take care of our very own immune system. And considering detoxification and cleansing, the most important work of activated charcoal therapy is to absorb all pathogens. What are pathogens? Those are microbial disease causing microbes or germs or anything that can seriously destroy our health, and that will make us sick and weak. And in this case, the consideration of activated charcoal therapy uh, will reinforce the balance of pH in our blood. And what is this pH first of all? The power of hydrogen in the blood. And what is that pH? Blood pH has a specific value of 7.35 to 7.45. By the way, speaking of pH, below number 7 is the border line of acid and base balance. So, because the blood is more alkaline and the human body, in order to be truly healthy, we need to maintain that blood pH, and our food intake and all other things must be considered intelligently, so that we will not poison ourselves to death. But because of our ignorance, we already have destroyed ourselves. But God has a better way, or even the best way, to detoxify ourselves using activated charcoal therapy because activated charcoal has the ability to trap, absorb, meaning not to absorb, but to adsorb. It is a surface to surface contact of all those things that can destroy our uh, body, more specifically our very own blood, because the uh, quality of the blood that runs in all the parts of the human anatomy and the function or its physiological parts, uh, it can uh, reinforce and strengthen your immune system once the withdrawal of all these toxins internally, and it can just pass through the digestive tract, and then you can just simply dispose that, and all those deadly toxins that can destroy or compromise our life and health are uh, effectively taken away. So, what are some of the therapeutic effects and health benefits of using activated charcoal in this Heaven's Lifestyle material? We have prepared this. Again, you can access this document. Just search International Crime Prevention Authority in your Facebook. What's that? International Crime Prevention Authority. We have prepared several materials in connection with this presentation. But look for this Power to Live, Heaven's Lifestyle Elite. Now, these are some of the most interesting things we need to understand. First, it absorbs poisons, natural or synthetic, including snake bites, insect stings, and deadly chemicals that are being loaded in our food, in our favorite drinks, and even in our day-to-day medicine, the so-called maintenance. Then, what else? It counters toxins, cancer, and deadly viruses, harmful bacteria, and all pathogens. That's another benefit that we can enjoy. Purifies and cleanses impurities of the blood. Imagine how many benefits we can uh, make use of this activated charcoal therapy. It relieves pain and aching, removes body odor and bad breath, halitosis. For example, if you have the problem of this, what we call bad breath, now activated charcoal can effectively handle that. Prevents nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Relieves inflammations and infections. Cleanses boils, ulcers, wounds, and fluid secretions. More so, no danger or side effects of overdose. No known contraindications. It works so fast. We have so many experiences in this use of activated charcoal. But you can uh, try to do more personal research work and do it yourself in terms of activated charcoal preparation. And may God bless us as we move further intelligently, diligently, as we aspire heaven's lifestyle on a personal experience. God bless us all. This is my prayer.